The side chick of a young Bafana Bafana star has broken her silence following the tragic news reported on Saturday morning that Jaden Adams had passed away. She took it to her Instagram account to let the world know that Jaden had a son and paid tribute to the Mamelodi Sundowns player. She posted a series of videos and pictures and wrote, "There are no words that can truly express the sadness I'm feeling. We didn't always see eye to eye, and life took us down different paths. But none of that changes the fact that you were Jade's father. That is something no one can ever take away. My heart breaks knowing that Alia and Jude will grow up without you. I promise to keep the bond between Jude and Alia alive. I'll make sure they grow up knowing each other and always remember the connection you wanted them to have. I'll keep your memory alive through Jude and make sure he always knows who his father was. I never imagined we would have to say goodbye like this. No matter what happened between us, I never wished this for you. I wish things had been different. I wish you had more time. Thank you for giving me the greatest gift I could ever receive. Our son, through him, a part of you will always live on. Rest peacefully, Jaden. Forever remembered, forever loved. Jaden Adams." Meanwhile, Jaden Adams was in a public relationship with his long-term partner, with whom he shared a daughter. The Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns star often spoke about his partner and daughter, describing them as the most important people in his life. However, he never publicly mentioned having a son, following the tragic news that emerged on Saturday morning. On the other hand, police said they are investigating the death of South Africa World Cup soccer player Jaden Adams after his body was discovered this weekend at a property in the city of Cape Town. The 25-year-old died 2 weeks after helping South Africa reach the knockout stage of a World Cup for the first time. Authorities have not released a cause of death. Police said Cape Town Central Police registered an inquest for investigation following the discovery of the body of a 25-year-old male on Saturday. Circumstances surrounding this incident are under investigation. Police said the body was discovered at a property in Cape Town, neighborhood of Scotcher Kloof at around 11 a.m. on Saturday, but gave no more details. May his soul rest in peace. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.